Hi friends, welcome to SB Prediction UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction Tuesday 20 May 2025. Today UK 49's lunchtime prediction lunchtime prediction first number 26, number 14, number 42, number 5, number 37, booster number 24. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction number. Join YouTube channel membership, 99% accurate prediction member only. Join YouTube channel membership now. Join only level 3 UK 49's 3 hot number, 99% accurate prediction 3 hot number. Join only level 3 UK 49's 3 hot number. Join now. Today UK 49's tea time prediction number 11, number 43, number 29, number 31, number 2, booster number 18. UK 49 lunchtime and tea time